If you want to speak English more confidently, this video is for you. Today, we are going to practice English together in a very simple and relaxed way. You don't need to worry about grammar, and you don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and most importantly, just keep going. This is your time to practice. Let's begin. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and get ready to speak. Now say this with me. I am ready. I can do this. I am learning English. I speak English every day. I feel more confident. Very good. Keep going. Don't stop. Now let's move to simple daily sentences. These are sentences you can use in your real life. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I start my day with energy. I drink coffee in the morning. I get ready for my day. I go to work or I study. I stay focused. I try my best every day. I am a little tired today, but I keep going. I want to learn more. I am improving slowly. Good job. You are doing great. Now let's practice thinking in English. This is very important. Don't translate, just think and speak. Repeat after me. I am busy right now. I need a short break. I feel good today. I am calm and relaxed. I am learning step by step. I am getting better every day. I will not stop. I will continue. English is becoming easier for me. Excellent. Keep speaking. Now let's build your confidence. Say these sentences with a strong and clear voice. I can speak English. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I am confident. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. I will speak English fluently. I am proud of my progress. Very good. Feel the confidence in your voice. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Imagine you are talking to someone. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am practicing my English. That's great. Keep going. Yes, I will. I practice every day. Nice to hear that. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Very nice. This is how real conversations work. Now let's make it a little more natural. Repeat after me. Today is a good day. I have a lot to do. I will stay positive. I will finish my work. I will take small breaks. I will stay focused. I will not give up. I am moving forward. English is part of my daily life. I use English every day. I enjoy learning English. That's amazing. Keep going. Now let's try speaking a little faster. Don't worry if it feels difficult. Just try your best. Repeat after me. I speak English every day, and I am getting better. I am more confident, and I feel relaxed when I speak. I don't worry about mistakes because I am learning. I practice daily, and I see improvement. Very good. That was excellent. Now slow down again and relax. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Even 5 minutes a day can change your English. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your English will become. Your brain and your mouth will start working together, and speaking will feel easier. Before we finish, let's say a few final sentences together. Repeat after me. I will practice every day. I will stay consistent. I will not give up. I believe in myself. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Excellent. You did a great job today. Keep practicing like this every day. Stay calm, stay focused, and keep speaking. You are improving more than you think. I will see you in the next video.